Nuka Cola steampunk goggles. Let me show you their features. I made these because I want to finish my Nuka Cola steampunk Fallout costume. And what better to have finished a steampunk costume rather than armor, but even better would be goggles. I know I look pretty classy with these glasses and my Nuka Cola top hat. It can go around my neck like so when I dress up. Right here they have been calligraphied with Nuka Cola on each lens. They look pretty original, steampunkish, but on the inside you can tell that they're just made out of common household and regular stuff you can find at your local supercenter. I tried making the lenses with UV resin, but what I also did was I got some red goggles which were to imperviate bright lights, cut them up, and then stuck them inside cups. The base is paper cups. The leather is just fake leather. These pins right here are rivets. You don't have to use rivets. You can use fasteners, in which I did so with this. Very nice. This was from a dog collar that nobody was using. Fabric elastic right here. And so is this right here. It's a thick rod and I got it off of a chain. See here, all I have to do is get some pliers, twist it where you see the hole, and then take them off. And then retwist them back into a loop, like so. These buttons are actually legit fasteners. Take these apart, put them back together, like so. And then you get a hammer, and whatever's between here will get stuck permanently as you squeeze these together with a pommel or a hammer. That's how we make our keychains over at work. Simple craft foam for the red and the insides as well. Hot glued them together and then got some resin and resinated the insides of these lenses so they're permanently stuck. So let me show you how I made them.
If you're blue and you don't know where to go to, why don't you go where fashion sits? Putting on the ritz. Different types, wear a day, go pants with stripes and cutaway, go perfect fits. Putting on the ritz. Put it on. If you're blue, you don't know where to go to, why don't you go where fashion sits? Put it on the ritz. Different types, wear a day, go pants with stripes and cutaway, go perfect fits. Put it on the ritz. Hey. Come on. Are you ready? Let's swing it. You got it. Let's go. Come on, here we go. got blue, you don't know where to go to. Why don't you go where fashion sits? Putting on the Ritz. Different types, wear a deco, pants with stripes, cutaway coat, puff fits. Putting on the Ritz. Come on. Put it on. Come on, swing it. Let's go. If you're blue, you don't know where to go to. Why don't you go where fashion sits? Putting on the Ritz. Different types, wear a deco, pants with stripes, cutaway coat, puff fits. Putting on the Ritz.
And voila, your Nuka Cola goggles. I made them a little differently rather than the one that I made in the beginning. Let me show you the difference. To make the goggles not go out like chameleon eyes, I cut the red pieces right here. I cut the red pieces and I folded them like so. So, let's try them on and see what they look like. I can't wait to see what it looks like on my face. What do you think? I can somewhat see you. I can see the camera a little bit, but I can't see very thoroughly. Not because I don't have my glasses on. It's because everything's red. And it says Nuka Cola backwards. So I think what I'll do for now is I will just wear them around my neck like so. Yeah, I didn't show you how to make the steampunk armor, but I'm getting to that, so bear with me here. I'm also going to show you how to make a steampunk Nuka Cola gun. I like how one side is just all metal, even the shoulder, and it matches the rivets right here. I'm also going to try and attach tubing, have you, whatnot, you know, come around like this maybe. I don't know. You share. What should I do with this? So, like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. Thanks, and I'll Nuka Cola you later.